Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering off and unplugging the keyboard so nothing moves electrically. You angle the board about 30 degrees and identify keycaps with stabilizers like space and enter because they require gentler handling. You place your thumbs on one side and index fingers on the opposite edge of a keycap. Press downward slightly to seat your grip. Once done, apply steady, even upward force while keeping the keyboard supported, so you avoid bending switches or popping stabilizer wires. You remove standard keycaps by gripping opposite sides with 2 fingers and pulling straight up about 1 to 2 centimeters. No twisting. That prevents stem damage. For larger caps, you lift one side a little, then the other, alternating to free stabilizer clips instead of yanking the whole cap. This prevents wire bending. Once freed, set each cap in row order or in a labeled tray so reassembly is immediate. Make sure to check the switch and stabilizer alignment before moving to the next key. You finish by inspecting switch stems and stabilizer wires for debris. Use compressed air or a soft brush to clear dust because clean parts reduce reassembly friction. If a cap resists, stop immediately and press neighboring caps down to relieve tension, then try lifting evenly again, forcing risks snapping a stem. Once clean, align each keycap stem with the switch stem and press straight down until it snaps. Test key travel and sound, and adjust if a stabilizer feels loose to ensure smooth typing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.